looks like ass. But anyway, probably not doing POV today just because I got this jacket on and I'm mostly doing residences. So I'm probably gonna do the magnetic mount on the bed and the stinger, and we'll see what we got going on. I got a couple of wheelsies. We got one or two for IAA, but yeah, we'll give this a try. I haven't done this kind of face-to-face stuff here, so get y'all familiar with his mug. So yeah, we're gonna go hit the road and see what the day brings. A little bit better than I thought. Is the got a waterfall here, all kinds of junk. The chain for the snatch block went under the tire and kind of acted as a skate, so I didn't have to snatch block it the rest of the way up, which is pretty cool. So I guess the story on this one is the kid that was here, his aunt. It was her husband's truck. He had passed away and then he had wrecked it. They went to Copar. I don't know if you can see the sticker, but after she had wrecked it, she bought it back. But the city came out and tagged the truck a couple times for sitting here wrecked, obviously. So bolted to wheelsy. I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing strapped in, chained down, all that. And I'll hit the road over to the fox body that I got next. Yeah, I'll get in there and do all that in a second. Hopefully I was recording that last little bit, because I definitely forgot to check, but I've actually came for this car once before, but it was behind a gate, and it just rained, so couldn't get the truck in there. It's still a little wet, but not super bad this time. Still a little wet, but this thing's been sitting for over 20 years, he said. It is butt nasty. Full of black mold and fun shit I didn't want to breathe in, but I did. Rag top's all ripped. So hopefully this thing at least stays intact going down the damn highway. Light door on here, hit the road. Oh yeah, on charge. That bitch is dead. I gotta clean that thing out. Alright. That's all set. So, guess we'll go hit the road. Alright, so no idea what I said at the beginning of the video. I got we did 2 wheelsies this morning, but we got 4 more IAAs. I already finished them. Those are done. They just gave me 1 more to finish the day up with, so I guess I'll wrap the video up with that. It's what's it say, 21 Toyota Supra. So we're gonna head on, grab that. I'll catch y'all in about, well, a minute for y'all, 15 minutes for me.
A few moments later.
What it is, every time I get low cars, the baby J's always get stuck on the bed. I don't know if I'll edit that part out or leave it. J-hooking an expensive S-car? Yes, that's total. Alright, now that that is on the truck, we can go ahead and boogie. So, wait for this guy to get out of my way here, take his gloves off. So, yeah, so that'll be the last one for the day. Of course, I had to whip my ass for a couple minutes there, but we got it before they close. That's all that matters. So I will end the video here. So let me not get hit by a school bus, that'd be bad. As always, thanks for watching. Head on down below, drop me a like and a sub, and I will catch y'all in the next one.